Hello, welcome to this video for the 1st of May. Question number 1. Find the value of 5x plus 3y when x equals 6 and y equals 7. So let's just do substitution. So 5 lots of 6 plus 3 lots of 7. Now we just do BIDMAS. So we do the multiplication first. 5 times 6 is 30. The plus is still there. 3 times 7 is 21. And then we get 51 as our answer. Question number 2, there are 2 parts to this. Find the output if the input is 27. So let's just put that number into the machine. So we've got 27, add 15. And at that stage there, we're going to get 37, 42. So I've got 42 at this stage. And then divide by 6. So 42 divided by 6. Now we should know hopefully our 6 times table, and that's divide by 6, and that gives us 7. So my output would be 7 for the final answer. Next one, find the input if the output is 0. There's a bit more work to do this time, because if we reverse the number machines, we must reverse every one of the functions within there. So that means that these become these new machines, which are the opposite of what were before. So now let's start with an output, of 0. So 0 times by 6 is 0. 0 take away 15 is minus 15. And then if we wanted to check that out, we could go the other way. Look, 15 add 15. So minus 15 add 15 gives us 0. 0 divided by 6 does indeed give us 0. Question number 3, rules of indices. Now the base number or the base letter is the same here. It is m, so we just subtract the powers when we divide. So we get m to the 6. And this one here, the base is the same of m. And we multiply the powers in this situation. So that is m to the power of 6. Next one, we need to find the volume of this cylinder. Now it does not say in terms of pi, so we're going to use a calculator for this. And I'm going to round it to 2 decimal places. I'm just going to write that before I start. So I'm going to use area equals pi r squared. And I'm going to substitute my numbers in before I use my calculator. So area equals pi times by the radius, which is 3, which is squared. And then what I need to do then is I need to multiply that by the height, because that's the area of the circle, and then I multiply it by the height afterwards. So let's get this first. That's going to give me 9 pi. That's 9 pi. And then I'm going to multiply this then by the height, which is 2.5. And then we'll let the calculator take over at this point. So let's the calculator work this out. So we've got 9, and then shift, and then the pi button, times by 2.5, and we get 70.6853. So that's 70.68. 70.69, I beg your pardon, 69. And what were the units? Was it centimetres? Yes, so it's going to be centimetres cubed. And the final question for today, we need to make m the subject of the formula. So, sorry about that. So we need to make m the subject. So on this occasion, the calculator, as much as it seems to want to play a part, is not going to be involved at all in this question. So we're going to do a number machine just to remind ourselves what happens. So m goes into a machine. What happens to it? It gets divided by c, and then the output is s. So to find the subject of m as the subject, we reverse everything. So we get s times by c, so c times s equals m. Thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow.